Do you want to change how Track Changes displays the markup in your document? Here's how you can completely hide deleted text so that only your added text shows up. When working with Track Changes while editing a document, you may want to configure Word so that you can see only the text that you're adding and that any text that you delete is hidden. You can accomplish this by working with the Track Changes options. All you have to do is jump over to the Review tab of the ribbon, and then we're going to click on this little icon right down here at the bottom of the Markup group. That displays the Track Changes Options dialog box. Now notice on the screen that I have just a few little changes here. You can see that if I move that down, you can see that the deleted text is struck through and the added text is underlined. Well, in this dialog box, all I have to do is click on Advanced Options, and then I can control exactly how all of that text looks. What you can do to make this a little bit less cluttered is just hide the text that's been deleted. Notice up here it shows deletions. All you'd have to do is click the down arrow next to it, and then we're going to say that we want that text to be hidden. That means that it won't show up on the screen at all. Now I can make any other changes in here that I want to at this time, but basically I'm going to click on OK and watch what happens on the screen over here at the left-hand side once I do click on OK. Notice that the deletions now don't appear on the screen, only the things that I've added in. If you still want to see the deletions, but you don't want them to be in the way, what you can do is within this dialog box, notice that it shows balloons, and nothing shows in balloons right now, but you can change this to be revisions. And if you do that, now watch what happens when I close the dialog box. Now the deletions show at the right side of the screen within the change area at the right-hand side. To me, this is a good mix of the best of both worlds. The deletions aren't cluttering up the screen, but I can still see what those deletions are over at the right-hand side of the screen. Well, that's it. Word now shows you your additions to the document, but hides things that you actually deleted. For some types of editing, this can result in a much easier to understand document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.